Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make your first Express app. To get started, we're first going to open Visual Studio Code and we're going to open our terminal. So you can go to terminal and press new terminal or just do this. Then we're going to write npm init-y, which should initialize our npm project. Now we're done with that. We're going to write npm install express, which is the library that we are going to use. While that's running, we're going to go up here, press new file, and we're going to write index.js. Inside, we're first going to have to import Express, so we're going to write const express equals require express. Then we're going to initialize it into this app variable, which we're going to use later on in our code. The next thing we're going to do is create a port variable, and we're going to set to 300. This is the port that we're going to use. The next step, guys, is we're going to create our default route for our Express app. After writing app.get, we're going to write this slash right here, which is where the users are going to go. Then we have some parameters. We have our request and our response. This is used for getting stuff from the user, and this one is to send things to the user. And then in here is where we actually do things with our request. Then we use this to send things to the user. We're going to write rest.send hello world to the user. So when the user goes to slash, that's where they're going to go. Oh, I almost forgot we need this and this here because we started it over here. Now all we have to do is use that port up here and start the server. So we're going to write app.listen. Then we're going to put in the port. Then we're just going to write where we're running our server. Now this part isn't actually needed technically, but we're just going to have it because it makes it easier for us to run our app. Now that we're done writing our code, we can go to our terminal and write node index.js. And now if we go to this URL, you'll see it says hello world. Now we can also do some other fun things, like if we made another route and we wrote like ABC, for example, and we sent a different thing, let's just say min type. We run that and then rerun our app and go and refresh. It'll just say hello world on here, which is just slash. But if we go to ABC, it'll say min type. And that's just the tip of the iceberg of what you guys can do in Express. Alright, adios.